Hello friends, my name is Shashmi and today I am going to teach you how to make a Sprite Hazel walk. So first we have to download PICTOBLOX onto our devices. And then we are going to choose File and New. After that, we are going to delete our Sprite Toby here. So just click on this delete icon. Go here and we have option to choose a sprite. Just click on the search button. From here, we are going to choose Hazel and also a backdrop. So for backdrop, we have to click on this and then click on search button. For this project, I am going to choose forest. After that, we are going to go to events block and drag and drop when flag clicked. Go to motion and then we are going to go to X and Y. So first we are going to change X to 0 and Y to -110. After that we are going to go to control and then place forever. Then again to motion block and drag and drop, move 10 steps into the forever block. Then if on edge, bounce by scrolling down and then set rotation style left to right. And then we are going to go to control and add wait 1 second block and change 1 to 0.2. Now let's go to the costumes. So Hazel is walking in Hazel walking 1 and Hazel walking 2. So go to code and then drag and drop when flag clicked, then looks and switch costume. We are going to just drag and drop switch costume to Hazel walking 1. And also add forever from repeat block, and we are going to keep switch costume to Hazel walking 1 into it. Now go to control lock and then add wait for 0.2 seconds. So now I am going to just put 0.2 seconds and then right click on them and then click on duplicate and then keep it here like this. And then change Hazel walking 1 to Hazel walking 2. And our project is ready. Go to full screen like this and then play the green flag. And see, whenever we stop it anywhere, it always starts from here. So in the next video, I will teach you how to make a game in PICTOBLOX. Click a game. So bye guys, subscribe, like and share this video and do not forget to press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever I post a new video.